right, you ready?
I reckon. Yeah, we got something a little different for you guys tonight. Pyrotechnic munitions. These are tracers, incendiary tracers. We got some greens and some reds.
And we got 10 of them.
10 of them, yeah, okay. And
we got some good viewers, man, who send us this kind of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So everyone can enjoy it, you know? That's awesome.
I don't know if these are Fiocchis or not, but they're in a Fiocchi hole.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, okay, well.
I'm going to do it how they work at the end of the video instead of wasting, you know, everyone will want to see these things right away. So we're starting to, the sun's starting to go down.
Yeah, we've had a bit of rain, so we don't have any worry about fire here in Arizona.
Yeah, that's where we're at. We had to travel to Arizona to film this one.
Yeah. You know, it looks familiar though.
It does.
I think we've been here before.
Yeah, it looks a lot like where we usually film. So it's as you can see, the sun's starting to go down. We'll get a few high-speed shots while we still have some light, and then some shots when it gets darker.
Yeah, we got about I'm gonna say 35-40 minutes till sundown.
Okay.
That's
the thumb knows.
Using the finger.
Yeah, he knows. He can call it, man.
15 minutes per finger if you're not.
If you say so.
Yeah. All right.
Let's shoot at a close target and see what happens
Let's
here.
see if we can hit something here.
Yeah. Shot number 1. See if they're even accurate. He's gonna shoot that little metal disc at 16 yards. See if they light up. I'm ready. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. Oh, that is awesome. Let's see what a red one looks like. Add a can of shaving cream whenever you're ready. Oh! Yeah, that thing kept on going right through it. Let's shoot some ballistic jelly.
Put a green booger right through that.
A green one, okay, I'm ready.
Oh, I saw that one go out there.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
Okay, 43 yards. I'm thinking that these things are accurate enough to hit that far.
Try not to hit that mountain out there in the background.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Might be a goat on it or something. Are we ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Yeah.
These are awesome, man.
Are we ready? Now, elevation was right on that one. That was just a little bit to the right.
Okay. That's a good, that's...
Maybe 2.5 inches.
Okay. That's pretty good. Good shooting. Okay, 50 yards now. Okay, I'm ready. Dang it, dang it. It makes a loud pop when it hits.
Yeah.
See what kind of, how long it actually burns for.
See if it'll go 3.5 miles. And
No,
no.
I don't. If they go 400 yards, I'll be very surprised. Yeah. But I want to see how long the burn time is before it, you know, kind of lob it out there. Everything's safe and everything, you know.
Oh yeah.
We're not fools. But yeah, just aim at the standpipe out there, kind of arc it, you know.
Okay. So
I'm ready.
We can get her to go. Here we go. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very cool.
So I went a few hundred yards burning still. That's pretty good.
We'll find out.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good today. Okay, I'm ready. He got it. Look at the smoke coming out of that thing.
A good advertisement for that gun shop in Visalia. Smoking barrel.
Smoking barrel. Man, that thing's just chugging along. Okay, I'm ready. He got it. Okay, he's gonna take another shot at 100 yards. He's feeling so good. I'm ready.
We'll try a different color this time.
Okay.
It looked like you hit a little low.
You could definitely hear him hit, though. That's the great thing. Okay, you good for another one?
Let's do it.
You're doing well so far.
Got a green one going.
Even if you miss, these are still fun, you know?
Yeah.
I'll zoom in on the high speed a little bit. Watch the ground light up like it did. That's neat. Okay, I'm ready when you are. Another one.
That one hit just about where the last one was.
It's about as dark as we can get with the Chronos, and I'm surprised it's doing this well. We're not running at super high frame rate, but the Chronos is doing really well. Had to open up the iris a little bit just to brighten it up. So he's gonna take one more shot at 100 yards.
That's our last one.
Last one.
See if we get 4 out of 4.
Yes, sir. Hit it. Heck yeah. This is what the slug looks like when you disassemble it. It uses a normal, just a shot cup. There's no flame hole that goes through that, so the powder does not ignite the tracer. Now if we take the slug out of the shot cup, we could see that there's a plastic ring or a tube in there. And what happens when you shoot it, the force from the shot cup transfers that energy into the back of the compound in there, and the compound is ignited by impact. So it's a pretty sophisticated system. I can see why they cost so much, but I tell you what, they're definitely worth it.
You know what? Three of those went all the way through.
Really?
Yes. This was number 1 here, first shot.
Yeah.
And then second shot, third, and fourth.
Those are still 1 ounce slugs.
This one,
Oh, look at that.
3 of those went through. I'll stand on my head here.
Find any remnants? Oh, look at that. So there's a little lead on there.
That was number 1 shot.
Okay, that's the one that just swirled around the barrel.
Hit here.
See that? How it
swirled in. You can see it went around and burnt.
Yep, there's another piece of lead down on the bottom there. Those are good slugs, man. I think they're going to sell a lot of these.
I like
We're not
those.
trying to sell them, but I hope they give the guy that gave them to us a t-shirt or a gift card or something like that.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
yeah, that was 115 yards.
115 yards?
115 by the rangefinder.
Okay.
Shooting from an elbow rest.
That's right. No rest this time. That's good shooting, Danny. I want to thank Lucas Board for sending these slugs to us to test out. Definitely really fun to try out, and we really appreciate it. I hope that the company he bought them from will reimburse them, or give them a gift card or something like that, because I'm sure after people see this, they're going to be flying off the shelves. You know what I mean? Now, naturally, I can't, because of the YouTube rules, say where you can buy these at or give you a link or anything like that, but you guys can figure it out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you had fun watching it. And always, we appreciate your comments and rating the video.